Hi friends, I'll give you a hint. The color that I'm wearing is what we're unboxing today. So let's get into it. So I ordered this piece online. Yes, it is from the Murakami collection, drop 3. I'm so excited. I was able to secure some pieces, but I was quite surprised that I didn't actually need to try that hard. The reason why I say that is because I went to go pick up another piece from Louis Vuitton in store, and when I got there, my sales associate had everything available for me to order. She also had so many pieces in store that I could purchase, and I was shocked because I was fighting for my life online the day before, which is how I got this piece, and I was kind of shocked that it came super quickly also, literally a day and a half after I ordered it. Although I'm super happy that it's here. When I went in store, they didn't have this particular piece, as well as I was trying not to look at the pieces that my sales associate was trying to bring out for me because I wanted to see it in person myself. I know I saw it in the store, but I was trying so hard not to hold the pieces so that way I can get a true reaction when I unbox it with you guys, because you guys are my friends and I want us to unbox this together. So while I was fighting for my life online to get these pieces, I accidentally had them shipped to my house, which is why it came in this box and not in the Louis Vuitton bag, which is fine because when I was looking online, the Murakami packaging, if I do get any special Murakami packaging, was an online exclusive, at least on the Canadian website. So they're not actually giving any of the packaging for the cherries in the store. So I'm hoping that I get some today, but honestly, I don't think I will, but let's go ahead and manifest that I will. Okay, so friends, let's go ahead and just open it up. Pull this tab. I'll let you guys be the first ones to see it, okay? Oh, there is some new protective tape on the sides now, which is nice to see. Just gonna cut that. Okay, friends, did we... Wow, they really secured this. Okay, maybe I'll have to do it like this. Okay, I'll close my eyes. Did we get the packaging? Oh, oh my god! So we didn't get the packaging, but we got, it looks like we got some stickers. Oh my god. So this is my first Murakami sticker. I did not get any of them from the first drop. So you have the little cherries here, and then you have Louis Vuitton on the back side. So these are the stickers that came inside the envelope. We got a total of 6 stickers, which is super cute. I'm just happy to just even get the stickers this time around. So here are the options if you were curious. And then we didn't get the shopping bag or the special box, but that's fine. And I checked in the receipts. There's nothing in here, just the regular standard receipts, care guide, blah, blah. Okay, let's go ahead and open her up. I'm so excited to see what this looks like. Any guesses as to what I got? So I was able to get the, oh my god, the Toiletry Pouch 26. So here's a little upfront of what the Toiletry Pouch looks like. It is amazing in person. Holy! It has vachetta on both sides, and both sides of the cherries are right side up, so none of the cherries are going to be upside down, but you will notice that the monogram will be right side up on one side and then upside down on the other. You do get the nice shiny gold hardware, and it is a lot thicker than the traditional zipper pulls that they use. And then on the inside, you are greeted with this cherry interior. Oh my god, this is so cute. So it is the same material, or at least it feels like the same material as the traditional Toiletry Pouch 26 that was discontinued. But the only difference is there is 2 slip pockets, one on either side, like so. And then you do have the Murakami plaque on the inside. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. I low-key, I'm not gonna lie, I was on the fence on this piece. It was an impulse purchase, but now I think I might have to keep it. I also wanted to give a really up-close shot of the cherries itself. So it's not actually screen printed onto the canvas. It is like a 3D effect. They are placed on top of the monogram canvas here. So you do feel them a little bit raised, which is super interesting. And I think this is a very interesting technique. I have not seen Louis Vuitton do anything like this, and I do not have anything like this in my collection. So between friends, I have 2 more pieces coming, but I was too excited to wait and I wanted to share this with you first. So I will be doing unboxings for those separately. I did order these all at the same time. I was battling for my life on the Louis Vuitton website, which I didn't need to do, as I mentioned before. So I did order these all on the same day, but for some reason the Toiletry Pouch came today and the other ones are expected to come sometime next week. So I will do an unboxing of those ones once I get them. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.